Hi guys, it's Dev Son, Puppet Dart Challenge. I've got 3 darts to score as high as I can. Let's see what happens. Come on, puppets! Right, let's see how it goes. I think this is going to be easy peasy. Second dart then. Right, last dart. Let's do it. Yes! 100! In your face! Boom, boom, boom. See you in the next video, guys.